So orange. This piece of art, I know that looks really random, but I just found out my grandma died recently, and so I just needed something different. And this is supposed to be the sunset from a local artist, so I found that at Goodwill for $12.99. Sure how I feel about it. It is very bright. If anything, I can always get like a poster and swap it out, but I like that it means the sunset because I can take anything positive at this moment. Maybe this is the final product. I moved my makeup desk area around. Yeah. So now it doesn't look as empty here. Kitchen area. Yeah. So hopefully this will be the final. I don't know. I might move Sugar's teepee, but I have a friend coming and staying with me for the next week, so I'll probably put her air mattress here or there if it fits, if she wants to be by the window. I don't know. Yeah. I am going through grief, which I have not done in, you know, like true grief. Like my uncle got murdered in 2023. So we kind of scrambled to get back to Japan. That was like, was that 2023? The borders weren't open. That was 2022. That was 2022. Because the borders, they opened their borders really late in Japan. Like we were kind of estranged. It was so unfortunate. But I feel like I got through it pretty quickly because I am a psychotic person apparently. I've gotten so close to my grandma, calling her every month and visiting her so often, and you know, like having the financial means to be able to do that in recent years. So like I'm taking it pretty hard, but you know, I know she wouldn't want me to just like sit in my filth and be sad. So yeah, I'm not, but yeah, I'm dealing with it. And this is how I cope, by changing things around in my apartment and drinking wine. Probably unhealthy, but we all cope differently, you know what I mean? So yeah. This is so good. I cooked the meat like medium rare, more rare our side, and I put some balsamic vinegar. This is a tall at the Starbucks in Japan. How big? Brother's trying this. What is it called? The Mary Berry Christmas Frappuccino. Look at my press-on nails in Japan. They're 33,000 yen. No wait, 33,000 yen. Probably $330. So it was
33,000 yen is $330.
yeah. So it was 3,300 yen. 3,300 yen, which is, I don't know how much in dollars. Maybe like 25. I don't know. So expensive. But I super glued them. Let's see how long they'll last for my work. We have hot yoga here. Want to sit down and eat? It's like all burnt. So interesting. It's colder here in Japan than in Seattle. doesn't want to be in the video. Freaking out as always, but we're at the water. What will 2025 bring? Other than a baby, hopefully. And a cute butt. So peaceful. Wow. What are you whining about? Huh? Sugar hit his eye again. Got these like pluggable sensor things, and when it senses that it's really dark in the room, then it'll turn on. So it's like a nice night light, though it's not too bright, where I can still fall asleep at night because he keeps hitting his eyeballs onto things. I don't know how he did this one, but we still have medicine from the last vet visit, so it's already getting better very quickly. My sugar is gonna be 11 next